Now let's head straight to this session. The content page. The content, by that I mean this very page where we have on our left, we have an image, we have a title. That's the man in the arena, one of my favorite quotes. I think, well, if you read through, it's nice, but I don't know if I did not copy it right. My intention is to build, but not to actually edit any piece like this. That's just by the way. And then we have on our right, we have, can you see that? We have fill the form below. We have the week. Wow, you see it popping out? Let me make it a little big. You see, a little big once again. Okay, there we go. Then we have the week. You can choose this and it fills in. Then we have the color. My intention is to show you range of stuff. So we have the date. You can see, you can choose today is 6. You can choose this and it fills in. We have local time. You can see the time as the time I'm recording this video. Now 5:18 p.m. You can see for yourself. That's it. You click and you find it there. Then your name, username, email. Just a little demo. You type something like this to say. You type an email at Gmail. You can see. You type, if you have a password, this one, the letters do not appear. They are encrypted, so no one sees it over your shoulders. Then we have the check boxes. We have check boxes where you can check as many as you can. Then we have radio buttons. The radio buttons, you choose one at a time. You can choose as many as that of the check boxes. And then we have the option menu or option where I have these regions. Sorry in case I skipped or probably I did not write some of these regions. It was just for time. It's the order doesn't matter. Just trying to fill in something for you. Then we have text area. I would say send us a message where you can type whatever you want to type in here. Okay. Then this send, a little animation, like you can see. It tries to leave the original position. It bounces a little up on the y-axis. It could be done on the x-axis where it moves to your right or to your left, but this time it moves vertically. It goes up or down. This time goes up, like you can see for yourself. Enough of the talking. Now let's get to work. I once again open. It's open already. I go to my Visual Studio Code and we need to get to work quickly. I have an ID, and the ID, I'm just going to call it title page. TITL, then capital P, camel case. We can talk about that later. Camel case in JavaScript, or maybe one of these programming languages, Python or something. And then the title page will contain these two stuffs. These two. This. It'll have this two. It'll have this one, like you can see on the left, and this one on the right. So what I need to do is that I'm going to give each of them an ID. By the one on the left, I'll call it ID equal to left, div ID equal to left. The one on the right, I'll call it div ID equal to right. And I think that will help. So we have the left and the right. So this is what we do. Left. Okay, that's it. Then on the left one, we have an image. You can see for yourself. This one, there's an image here. Well, that's an image. We want to put the image there. An image is img. Okay. Then the source is the source. Please check it. Programmer, or yeah, I think programmer .png. Let's check. Okay, this programmer. Please check programmer.png. So this is it. Then we save someone programming. That just okay. So Let's check what we get here. Hoop, very big, humongous, very big. All right, let's see what we do next. So we have the image right there. Then I would want, on the same left, I would want something like a page. Let's see, a page. The same left, I'll have something like a page. The page is this. Please check this out. This is the image. I want something like this, a page. So let me copy. I want to copy these long stuff. I'll copy it and come and paste it here. So I have a page. Okay, then a page. I'll prefer making it a div instead. So let's see. I'll make it a div and equate it to a page. Dot page, and this time a class. Okay, that's it. Then after, I'll put the page there, but let me have h1, the header. The header is here, the man in the arena. Let me type that one, the man in the arena. Okay, arena. Roosevelt said this, and it's a beautiful piece. You can read it later. Then I have my paragraph. Let me paste all these there. Okay, there we go. All right. Then I'm going to save. Ooh, very long. I'll save and see. Ooh, let's see. Okay, there you are. They've appeared here nicely. Okay, so we are through with that of the page. We've worked on the page. We've worked on the image. Now let's try and work on the right side. So let's see. This is the left. Let's see this. Inside this, we have the right. Okay, so it should come right here, I hope. And that one is an ID. So the pound sign, the number sign, then the ID is right. Okay, so we have the right. So let's save it. And the right, inside the right, we have field set. We call something field set. I'll explain that to you. Field set. Then we have legend. And the legend says fill the form below. Okay, so let me bring a column. Let's see. Nothing is happening here. All right, I want to go up and float and work on the pages. Let me work on this and see how they appear. I'll work on the title, our title page. I'll work on the left. I'll work on the right. Let's see. So I go to below this. Let's see how we do this. So we have the title page. The width is 100%. Then we have padding. We have padding is 5 pixels. Then we have background color, ghost white. Okay, let's see. Is there anything? Oh, nothing works. All right, let's see. Then I'll go to the left. And so width, please remember, we actually chose, if you remember, we chose the container, we chose 960 px. So what we are going to tell the left is that the width should be maybe 57%. Then we float it to the left like the name sounds. Then padding, is 10 pixels. Then we have box shadow. Box shadow, we have 5. Let's make it 5 pixels. 5 pixels. then 5 pesos. 5 pesos. Then the money sign, the pound sign, the number sign 888886. Okay, let's save and see how it goes. Is there any sign? Well, I could see. Can you see that? It's floated this way. Okay. Let's see if we can work on the other ones. Let's work on the image. This has moved nicely, but the image is still standing at where it is. So let's work on this quickly. Remember, the image is inside. Please, you can check that. The image is inside the left. Let me let you check quickly. Let's check quickly. The image. The image, can you see? This is the image. This is the left. The ID left has both image and it has a div of page. And we just worked on the left. So let's work on the image. Let's quickly work on the image. So we are going to mention the left with a number sign in front of the left as a CSS selector. Then after, we call on the image. That's img. So if we do that, then we are going to specifically target that of the image. Like you can see, this is the money sign. Can you see that? This is the money sign, and then we called the image. We targeted the image, img. And so what we're going to do now quickly on the image, we say the width. The width is I don't know, 100% will be okay, but let's make it 90%. 100% is fair. The margin is 10 auto. You could have made it 0 auto the same way. Then we can work on the box shadow. Same thing. The box shadow, but this time let's make it okay, let me copy this. Let's make it the same way. Copy, we paste it here. Okay, let's see. Then we have the overflow. We have to overflow hidden. So the image is big, so like I told you earlier, so it wouldn't overflow, it wouldn't go beyond its boundary. Okay, overflow hidden. Then we have margin right, just to give it a little margin on the right. No, okay, let's make it border, just to bring margin wouldn't do. Let's border radius to make it a little curvy, just to smoothen, to make, you know, this proper rectangle. We want to make it a little round. Let's see how it goes. Let's say 2 pesos solid and then gold. Let's see how it goes. No effect. How come? Border radius, border radius. Let's see. No, this is border, but if you say radius, then we have to make it like in percentage, so 50%. Okay, I think that's it. It worked perfectly. Okay, that's it. Okay, so then let's go to this side, the form. So I'll quickly go down and see this right. This is right, so I'll float it to the right because this one has gone to the left. So this one right. Okay, float. I should declare the width first, but I don't mind. Float right. Let's see how it appears. Okay, let's see. Quickly it moved. See where it's hiding. Okay, so the width. Let's see the width. This one was 57, but the right, let's make it 37. 37%. Okay, now it has moved nicely. Then we floated it already. The margin is auto, so to stay in the middle. That's the intention. Then we have the padding. Padding is to make sure we push all the content. We push any content that comes inside. We push it inward just a little bit, so it will make it look nice. So margin left, what we get is 10 pesos. Then okay, there we go. Then we have box shadow as usual. Box shadow. Let's pick this one, the same thing. Let's paste it there and see. Okay, so this is what we're getting. All right, box shadow. You could see it's hanging there. Nothing is inside. So this is what we are getting. And this color is not the same as this. You can see for yourself. We need to get rid of this color, this background color. This color. Let me look for it quickly in the container. Where are you? Come on, container. Okay, let me get this off. Let me get it out. All right, pure white. Same as this, almost same. All right. Okay, so let's go quickly. What can we do again? I think the fill set. You have the legend. All right. So let's fill them quickly. Let's do this quickly, very fast. We have form. So we are going to have a form. And then no action, don't worry. We'll talk about this later. Then in the form, we have label. Then we call it, let's say we call it week. Then input. The input, the type, let's say week. And then we have the name. This. Then we have the ID. I will explain all this to you later, but let's save it and see what appears. Okay, can you see for yourself? All right, it's taking shape. That's beautiful. Now the next thing is color. So label, color, we make it let's say COL. All right, color. Then the input also color. Okay, then let's say the name is color. Then it's not necessary ID, but let me put it there, color. We will expatiate on this pretty soon, or maybe in other sessions we will talk about this. Let's save it. It's not appearing, nothing. Oh, okay, there we go. It's appearing, it's showing. So what I'm going to do, what do I do? Okay, I'll put break here, BR, just to make it a little distinct. Okay, there we go. The color is there. But I think the label color, the label week, it will make it much clearer. Okay, so you can see the week, you can see the color. They are clear now, but let me add extra break so that the extension will be as clear as crystal, like you can see. Beautiful. All right, so the next thing we do is that we are going to have something like date. So the date, there we are. We have label, and then we go like date. Then inside it we say date, and okay, let me anyhow date. Then we have input. Then we have date. Okay. Then we have name, also date. And then we have an ID, also date, not important, but I'll explain that to you. Don't worry. Then I bring break here, BR. Let's see how it appears. That's beautiful. We keep going. Now, okay, that's fine. Then the next thing we should do is that we'll be having local date. Is it important? I think, can we change this just a little, where we can do something like this? Label, then I go like name, username. I'll change it a little. Username. Then we have input, and we go like text. Then this is username. Then username. Okay. Then we bring break, BR. There we go. Then label again. Then let me say password. Then we have input, and then we say password. Then we say password. Then the ID, password. Then let's say break. Let's see, BR. We save. Then there we go. All right, so let's keep going. I see. Username. Okay, maybe. Let's see. I could see the username. Okay, BR. Let's see if it's corrected. Perfect. I think it's getting better. I can feel this. It's almost like this one. Okay. So what can we do again? What can we do again? Email. Perfect. We can go to email, where we have label, email. Okay, there we go. Then we have input, email. Then we have name, email. Then we have ID, then email. Like I said, we will talk extensively about it. BR. We save, and let's see, it's also there. It's getting interesting. We keep going. Okay, so well, we can have something like check boxes. Let's try this quickly. Check boxes and label. Let's say checkbox. Check your favorite. Then check favorite. Okay. We can have input. Let's say check. No, maybe check age. Okay, so type is, I think, checkbox. All right, so checkbox and name. Maybe young. Okay, and then all right, an input. Okay, label will do here. Then inside here, 21 years. Okay, checkbox. Let's see. We duplicate this 1, 2, 3. Then we say, let's say 30 years. We say 41 years. Anyhow, 31 years. Then we say 41 years. So these are checkboxes. These are checkboxes. Let's save and see how it looks like. Okay, so that's it. So these are checkboxes. You can only check one out. I'm not really going to refine it. I just want you to know how the world of possibilities you have if you really you are into web development. You can do quite a lot of things. So label for checkbox. This is young. This is, let's say, pretty young. Older. Okay, then oldest. Okay, maybe this. So then I'll probably put here checked. Let's see. Okay, so you can see one of them is checked. Let me change it and put checked. I'll get rid of this. No, I want to get this out. Then I'll rather put the checked here. So you could see the 41 is checked. So all these are working. Then we have okay, let me put break here. Break. Then we can see this for you can see this for yourself. All right. Check age. Then I say break. It should look a little pretty, look a little nice. Oh, break. Break, my friend. Break. Okay, this is what we got. All right, shifted down nicer. It's nicer than before. Okay, let's see if we are getting anywhere closer. Okay, this is it. So probably let me do this and then I'll do the radio button, do this and do that quickly. Then we are out of here. Okay, there we go. Let's see. The next thing is radio button. Label. Radio button. And then the next thing is input. Oh, let's say radio. Radio. Okay. And then label. Let's say fufu. Okay. Then I'll duplicate this a bit. Pick your best food. Okay, let's see. Then I'll bring break here. BR. Okay, so let me duplicate this quickly. 1, 2, let's say 3. Then fufu. Then we say here fufu. F up. Yeah, I'll use F. Then we say bangkun. Sorry, I don't know what B. The rice for those foreigners watching. Bangkun and fufu is local dishes for Ghanaians. Then rice. Then let's say we have tea. Then tea. Is tea food? Anyways, let's see how it goes. So let's check it up quickly. Okay, there we go. Oop, nope, this is a different page. There we go. You can pick one of them, as many as you can. It's not supposed to. We are supposed to choose only one. Let's see what could be the issue. Yeah, the names should be the same. Let's say food. Oh, food. Come on, food. Food. Okay, let's see how it goes. Hope it works this time. One. Okay, it's swishing. It swished. Okay, so that's it. But let me put checked here and see if it's gonna pick one of them. That's on it. Last but one. Let's see. Okay, it picked it up. That last but one, rice. Okay, so we can go ahead now. Then we put break here. BR. Okay. Then the next thing is label. Label. We have anyways, okay, let's see. We'll be having options and selection. Okay, selection. Then inside selection we have options. Option with the value of, let's say, country. Let's say Ghana. GH. Ghana. Let me duplicate quickly. Let's say Israel. Let's see Nigeria. Let's say Britain. Okay. US. Togo. Then Britain. Then we have Benin. Then we have Congo. We have Israel. Okay, just quite a lot to go around with. Then Nigeria, let's say N. Then US is, we say U. Then Togo we say T. Then Britain we say B. Then Benin B. Then Congo is C. Then Israel I. Okay, then for we say countries. Oh, country, so raw. Option, selection, option. Let's see what here appears. Ooh, still. Whoop. This way different from these one. What could the spelling is obviously wrong. Selection. Select. This is serious. select, say, okay, maybe this should work this time. Okay, there we go, it's working. Then we have break here, BR. Okay, then text, let me do this quickly, then we are out of here. Text area. Okay, then the last one, button or input button. The value is send. Okay, like so. Let's say BR, then here BR. Oh, BR. Okay, let's see what we got. Way too long for my liking. Let me shorten it quickly. Shorten like this. Like this. Okay, maybe this is better. Maybe this better. But I need to push these things inside. I need to push them in. Padding all around. Padding all around. Let me see quickly. Padding in the right. Let me see. Right. Padding. Not only this. Let's say padding. Let's say 15. Let me see what I got. Up. Okay, maybe I need to push it right. Okay, maybe this will work. Let me work on this quickly. Field set. Padding. Padding. I'll make it padding all around. This is 10 pixels. Okay, this a little better. I think I like this. It's okay. Maybe you can work on that later. But let's quickly go to footer. The footer. Let me footer. Width is 100%. Then background color. I said coral, I think. Then what next? Text align. Where you allow text align to be in the middle. Text align. Center. Then padding all around. Let me say 15. I hope that works. Let's see how it goes. There's no div called footer anyway, so let me do it here. Let's say footer. Let me save and see what I'm going to get from here. Ooh, I see. See where it is. It's floating right up there. What do we do? Let's see how we go. And copyright. Let's say copy. Then to say university. The pipe. Then 2021. Let's save and see. Ooh, so big. What happened? What's happening here? Wow, what's happening? To say university and really big. Oh, because I didn't give it a height. The footer no height. You see, height is 50 pixels. Then how's it like? Oop. I see. Okay, let's quickly do this. Footer. 100%. Oh, okay. Now I can tell one of the problems. This div, the container, we made it 960 pixels, but this folder is out of it. It's not inside. So I'm going to cut it and put it right inside. That's why it's misbehaving. Okay, now it's here, but it's still floating. So let's work on this quickly. There's something you should do. We floated this. I remember we floated this guy. We floated the left and the right. So right after the text page, let me click so I can see it quickly. Text page, this right after the text page, right after here, I'm going to put something like so. CLR. Okay, CLR. That's a class. So I'm going to target this class so I could work on the problem quickly. So what I'm going to do is that I come this way. So we target the CLR so it could handle the problem. So what we do is to come to the styles and then the CLR, then we clear both. There are several ways we could do this, but I think this should work. Okay, there we go. You can see it clearly. So beautiful. Wow. All right. So that's about it. If you have any questions, you can, send us a question. If you have any comment, you can comment under the video. You get to our GitHub page. If you don't know GitHub control version, we'll take you through quite a lot of stuff. This is a treasure trove to actually come here. And please don't forget to subscribe, you like, you comment, and share. Let the whole world know about this. And we'll much appreciate it. We'll come your way once again with complex stuffs. Not so complex, but we'll take you through quite a lot. Okay, like you can see very quickly, let me work on this. You can see this is quite different from this one. Let me quickly work on it. I'll work on it right away. Okay, so what's the name? The man in the arena. Where is it? Where is it? The man in the arena. Okay, there we go. In the page class H1. So let's target it quickly. Page class H1. Let's do this quickly. I'll go this way. Let me come here. Page H1. Then text align. Let's see. Text align. Align center. Okay. Text align center. Text. Okay. Let's see. Text align center. Okay, it's moved to the center. Then I think background color is gray. Just gray. Let's see. All right. Okay. The next thing. What? Let's see. Okay. So what we do? The whole page. We actually going to target H1. Then H1. No. Let's target the paragraph. The text. And go line height. It's actually 1.7. Let's see. It gives us, it looks nice, it looks beautiful. Okay, then this one, the H, I could see border radius. Border radius is 5 pixels. Okay, I think let's see the same. All right, I think it's same. This is a little darker, but I can use this to check the color here. Oh, color picker, color picker. Let me use this to check the color. Okay, maybe we can leave it like this, but it's same, same thing, same thing. And oh, send button. Can you see this? The send. Okay, let's work on the button so quickly. The button. Let me bring it. Let me work on it here. Button. It's a button. Let me check it first. The last one. Input. Okay. I didn't want to do this, but let me do it quickly. Input type. Let me see if it makes sense. Oh, okay, let's see. No, it's not working. Oh, still. Okay, let's go like width 100%. Let's see. Okay, it's working now with 100%. Then what do we do? Color. Okay, color white. Then background color coral. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that's fine. Then border radius 5 pixels. Okay, this is fine. This is okay. Then finally, transition. 1 second. Oh. Oh, okay. We change this stuff. Okay, so we'll end here. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and then we share it and let people know the story.